Alright, y'all. I haven't been showed y'all what's sprouting in a couple days. So you can see right at the door. This is what we got sprouting. Alright, gang. And right at the door, this is what we got sprouting. A little tomato in there. It's already plucked. I did clean up the garden a little bit, y'all. So clean the zucchini plant up. It's September, so down to our last days of our growing season. You can see I got a lot of green tomatoes, and hopefully we're gonna get enough more warm days. And look at what's happening, y'all. I got 2 fresh tomato plants. Maybe Michigan will do as well. Those tomatoes will produce. I did resituate the heirloom zucchini. Y'all can see it got super leggy, but it didn't produce for me this year. Just some flowers. I moved a salad bowl, so maybe get some more light and grow a little more lettuce. Got some fresh pepper plants popping up. The mint. Y'all can see that cucumber stalk is huge. It has produced quite well for me this year. Y'all can see. Got a humongous cucumber in there. Look how tall that carrot is, y'all. Carrot stalks. I know I got some humongous carrots happening. You can see it. That's a red carrot. You can see again, that's looks like some yellow ones, but these are heirloom carrot mix. And this really big one, y'all, that's a red carrot. So that one should be good. Got chives that I need to cut. Got a pepper plant that has popped up. I'm pretty sure that's a really hot, spicy pepper plant. There's our basil down there, sweet basil. This is our other zucchini plant here. Moved it over here, cleaned it up a bit. Swiss chard. It's been healthy all season and producing. Check out the pineapple sage. It's took over a whole corner. It's huge. We don't have anything in the white pot back there, y'all. It was a tomato plant that died out from all the heat. So, it's your girl Jack, Zoladon's Fresh Market. Hey. This is what we got sprouting this week on the patio garden. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, share, and comment. Let me know what happened with your garden this year. Did it produce well for you? What did you get a lot of? What did you get the least of? Oh, y'all, Thai basil. Y'all see? I didn't show y'all that, but it's huge. So, catch y'all on the next video. Bye.